everyone, it's Lucia with Apogee Adventures. One question we get asked a lot is how to pack a backpack for your backpacking sections of our trips. Today, I'm going to show you how to pack. Let's get started.
Here are two packs we recommend. This red 65-liter pack works well for Alaska Mountains and Coast, Maine Down East Explorer, and Alps Explorer. This purple 40-liter pack is perfect for Pyrenees Mountains and Coast, Dolomites Mountains and Croatian Coast, or Costa Rica. All of our other hiking trips just have day hikes, and today I'll be demoing with the 65-liter pack, but the same tips can apply for smaller packs. Each pack has four main parts: the main component, the brain, exterior pockets, and the hip belt. In the main compartment, you'll pack your sleeping bag, clothes, hydration reservoir, and extra layers. You'll also have your share of the group gear, which includes things like food, stoves, and tents. To keep everything dry, you'll line your pack first with a contractor bag. If you choose to bring a hydration reservoir, start by packing that against your back. You will then place the bulkier items like your sleeping bag, tent, or cook gear in the bottom of the pack and stuff smaller items like your clothes to fill the gaps. You can think of the larger, more rigid items as bricks and the softer items like your clothes as mortar, stuffing them in around the larger items to fill the space available. Things you'll want during the day, like your rain jacket, will be near the top so that they are easily accessible. Once you are done packing up your main compartment, you'll want to be sure to twist the contractor bag closed so that all of your items can remain waterproof while you hike. The brain holds smaller items that you'll want during the hike and on breaks, such as snacks, sunscreen, headlamps, gloves, and a hat. You'll want to make sure that everything fits comfortably within the brain. Generally, we try to limit what we bring on the outside of our packs so that it doesn't get too bulky, but depending on the type of equipment you have, some things might only fit on the outside of your pack. On this pack, we will be placing the water bottles into the side exterior pockets. The sleeping pad will be clipped to the bottom. The camp shoes are going to go into the main front pocket. Our hip belts are perfect for things like sunglasses, safety whistles, or a small camera. But every pack is different, so take a minute and learn yours.
And that's it! Now you're all packed and ready for your next adventure. We can't wait to see you on your Apogee trip soon.